Okay, so hi dear Aries, very very good evening to you guys. This is 7 days, 7 Oshos and tarot messages from for all the Aries Sun Moon Venus rising from 29th of September till the 5th of October. Yep, and that's it. There's no role reversal, nothing good. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, you can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Let's start with the overall energy for you guys for this week, Aries. We have the sorrow. So you might be trying to do something or trying to achieve something that other people are not able to understand. And or you feeling like in order to achieve something unachievable by the normal people, you have to cut yourself from everything or everyone that you love. Okay, you don't have to do that. You are creating some kind of painful energies for yourself uh, by your own actions, and you might be feeling very sad about it. It's like you might be planning to isolate yourself from everything that you love, everyone that you love, because you want to achieve something really really good here, really meaningful here. For most of you it's like spiritual growth or spiritual awakening or something like that. For others of you it could be a career dream, a career job, uh, sorry, a dream career, a dream job, or something that you feel like if you are going to intermingle with other people, you are going to get distracted, and it's hurting you, it's bothering you, but you are still forcing yourself to isolate yourself from everything or everyone that you actually like. So it's actually the opposite. If you are going to manage the timings, if you are going to manage the energy such that you will be able to have fun with your friends also, you can connect with your family members also, you are going to be more fresh and more available to achieve your goal in a positive way, right? So this is the overall energy. Let's get the messages for this week. It's 28 today only, my god, I keep on forgetting the dates. 29th, we have the moment to moment. This day you have to apply the mantra living my life moment to moment as it is coming. See, this person looks very experienced. He looks like a taekwondo person or something, someone who had a lot of, who have a lot of experience of life. And after all of this experience, after all of learning and everything, now he's learning the art of living his life to the fullest, moment to moment. He's not worried about the future, he's not worried about the past, he's just here in the present moment. And as the other moment is coming, he's just enjoying it, he's just living it fully, right? So do not get too much involved in the past, do not get too much involved in the future. Just stay here in the present moment and live your life wherever you are right now. Okay. 30th, we have the healing. See, the moment you are going to plan to start your healing journey, to start opening up, to start express your feelings to the right person, to the right kind of energy, you will start the healing process automatically. It's all about you learning to open up and express yourself instead of isolating yourself, and instead of thinking nobody's going to understand you. Try to express yourself in a positive way, to the right person. If you don't have anybody by any chance, if you don't have anyone in your life that you can talk to, that you can express your feelings to, connect with yourself, like sit with yourself, looking at a mirror, and start talking to yourself about what you are feeling and what is this one thing that is like stopping you from moving forward in your life. Okay, that is going to help you. So you have to start the healing process. For that you have to be aware that there is something that you need to heal, and second, start expressing yourself properly, hmm, in a positive way. 29th, 30th, done. First, we have aloneness. This is self-chosen aloneness. This is not somebody, putting a like gun on your head and saying you to cut yourself out from everyone and everything and just stay alone for the rest of your life. This is like you definitely have some kind of aim or goal of yours that you think that other people will not be able to understand. So you are choosing this path of aloneness by your own will, by your own you know self known energies, and you are going on a journey, going on a path where you think you are going to find your happiness. It's self chosen aloneness because you think you are going to reach somewhere if you are going to walk alone. Otherwise, it's going to be always a messy thing, always society, other people, other things are going to stop you. So it's a self chosen aloneness. It's coming out of uh, good energies, not out of pity or out of, oh my god, I have frustration or anger. My god, I have to leave everyone, I don't care. Not like that. 2nd of October, we have the exhaustion. Now, you might do certain things, you might overwork, you might overthink, you might over exhaust yourself to the point of thinking like you are a robot or a machine. You are going to feel exhausted by things, that by the way things are happening in your life, by the way things are unfolding in your life. You might not be able to understand what you should do in order to be at peace with yourself, how to manage your timings, how to manage your energies. This is the biggest task for you guys right now, Aries. You might be doing something over because you want to achieve something as quickly as possible, as soon as possible. So you might be running behind the quantity, not the quality, and it's exhausting you as a human also, and your soul is also screaming for a break. Your soul is also screaming, this is not the way you live your life. You might fall sick if you are not going to take care of yourself, if you are going to be a robot or machine like this. Even machines want need a break from time to time to properly, function. So take care of this energy. 3rd of October, we have the understanding. Now, you might be feeling, Aries, that other people are to blame here because you are not able to fly as high as you want to. You are not able to achieve certain things that other people are able to achieve. You are not able to do certain things that other people are easily doing. This is just your understanding. This is just your own self created cage that you are sitting in. Limiting belief, the conditioning, the fears. You don't know if you, I don't know if you know this or not, a lot of people have fear of success. That what if they are going to get actually successful? Then what they're going to do? And after achieving that success, maybe they are going to fall again. So you might be having the fear of success. You might be having this energy of what if I will be able to achieve it, but and then I will not be having anyone to blame. I have to get out of my comfort zone. This is your own limiting belief, own conditioning that's stopping you from where you want to go, where you should go actually. Okay, this, you just have to understand this point very very deeply here. No one else, nothing else to blame here, but you yourself is stopping yourself from achieving the dream life that you deserve. 4th of October, possibilities. See, right now on this particular day, you might not be able to see the possibilities, the opportunities right in front of your eyes, because in this particular deck, this eagle is like old, and the sun is going down. So even if the path is clear, he will not be able to see it. So this old eagle represents your mind here, your energies here that are drained right now, that are not that much available right now, right? So this going sun, like setting sun, indicates the energies of not being able to understand your path clearly, not being able to see the possibilities of growing. So right now the sun is setting down, but the sun is going to is bound to come up someday. Okay, so you will be able to see the opportunities and possibilities in front of your eyes very very soon. Just do not give up. Just keep going. Just keep moving forward. Don't go backward. Okay, right now, because this is just a phase of your life, Aries, not your whole life. Try to understand this point. This is just a phase of your life, not your whole life. Okay, so the possibilities or opportunities that you are not able to see right now, you will be able to see them very very soon. Just do not give up. Keep going. 5th of October, we have the traveling. Possibilities and traveling to me is almost the same thing. See, the sun is going up. You will be able to see the goal, the aim very, very clearly, that this is my goal. This is what I have to achieve. You might not be able to see the path clearly ahead of you, right? So once you are going to start taking the baby steps, let's say, for example, you want to be the best entrepreneur of your house, and you have certain things that you can go ahead with business ideas. Now you know that this is the business idea I'm going to work on. but you don't know from where to start the business. So let's start with finding out the people that you can connect with, the YouTube videos that you can connect with, so that you can take the first step. Once you are going to take the first step, the other steps are going to come in front of you naturally and organically. It's the process. Everybody have to start from the start. Everybody have to start from the basics. The first step is important here, and you will be able to see the rest of the path in front of you very, very soon. Okay, so start taking the initial steps towards the direction of your goal. Okay, this is what I have for you for this week. Let's see the final guidance for you guys, advice for you guys for this week, Aries. We have the mind. Your mind will try to convince you that you are not capable of doing certain things, why to go out of your comfort zone, why to do certain things that other people are not doing, why you are taking so much of pain in the ass. Don't listen to your mind. Our mind have this capacity, full on capacity, to stop us from achieving the greatest things of our lives. So basically the mind keeps on trying to like the mind tries to protect us from moving forward, so that we are not going to get hurt. So the mind always keeps us in some kind of safe space. But if you're always going to listen to your mind, and you're not going to get out of your comfort zone and do the necessary things in order to achieve your goal, guess what, you will never be able to achieve that. And then you will be having the whole universe to blame. Yeah, so now the choice is yours, honey. What are you gonna do? Hmm? Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.